The subject of today's video is how to unfollow everyone on Threads. Let's have a look. Activate your Threads account. Install the app from the Google Play Store on an Android smartphone if there isn't one already, then create an account. If you have an iPhone, you must go to the App Store. I'll demonstrate the quickest methods to know how to unfollow everyone on Threads. Threads is closely linked to the Meta platform Instagram and additionally requires users to both have Instagram and use Threads under the same handle. What you have to do is simply open your Threads profile as I have opened it. Tap the Followers button just below the username. Another page will be shown with the options of Followers, Followings, and Pending. Followers is a list of profiles that follow you. As I have only 2 followers, if you want to unfollow anyone to both, you can do it very easily by pressing the Follow option. Following is the list of profiles of whom you have followed. You can unfollow them by simply pressing the Following option. And last one, Pending, is the list of profiles that you have followed, but they are still in the process of accepting your follow request. It is to be noted that you can't unfollow everyone at a time. You have to do it individually. So this is the simple way to unfollow everyone on Threads. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.